Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, November the 4th. I got 10:24 in the morning, 47 degrees. Starting this here because I got a phone call that they're working on these homes on Soul Street that burned out. So I was hoping to be able to video a little bit. Yeah, they're working on them. Problem is I can't stay. I can do a few minutes here. And then I gotta go to Monroeville. In case any of you are interested, there's a toy train show in Monroeville tomorrow and Sunday. Today's the day everything gets set up. I wonder if they're going to come into this one. I guess I can pull down a little bit. Nothing's coming behind me, right? Yeah, they pretty much got them all down. I don't know if they're going to go into this one or that one over there. It really doesn't look like it. But this is on Soul Street. Look at the bright side, everybody. This is the 4th of November. We could be covered with snow right now, and we're not. Yeah, I think the only part they're working on is the two homes that they brought down there. What's it say? Professional demolition. And there you go. 412-403-1699. Hey, I gave in an advertisement, folks. Yeah, I don't think they're going into this one or that one. It looks like the only ones they got are the two that were there. Well, I have to go, folks. Got to be in Monroeville for 11 o'clock. But you all take care, and we'll see you.